Hello there, Movie Mark here. So the last video I made about 86Z, I got a lot of response from my subscribers and from visitors asking me about how legit the company is, if they're going to stand the test of time. So I thought about doing a video about how legit 86Z is, and let's get right into it. And just before I go on, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. And then I also noticed from the last video I made that there are a lot of people who viewed the video and then they went behind me to register on the platform 86Z, and then they ran into problems and then they came back to ask me for help. Please, 86Z, as we know, is built around a structure where you need a team, and in that team, you need an upline, a team leader who gives you assistance so that you can function properly on the site. So if you go on registering by yourself without using my referral link, if you run back to me for help, I might not be able to give you help. Even if I give you help, it may not be substantial. So guys, please, I'm going to leave the link, my referral link, in the description page of the video somewhere down there. Please go check it out and register with the link. And then when you're done, I'm also going to leave I'll leave a number, WhatsApp number, in the description page of the video somewhere there. Please check it out and then reach out to me, and then I'll give you all the assistance that you need. So for now, let's get on to the video. Is 86Z legit? Yes, it is legit. Now, 86Z is one of the companies owned by 86 Football. 86 Football, on the other hand, is one of the companies owned by City Football Group. Now, you can see the chain, right? So let's quickly go on to City Football Group and then check some things out, some information about them. And then we'll go to 86 Football, check them out, go to their website, and then to 86Z, which you guys are already familiar with. Okay, so for those who do not already know, City Football Group, as it is known, is a holding company that administers association football clubs. The group is owned by three organizations, of which 78% is majorly owned by the Abu Dhabi United Group, also known as the ADUG, 10% by the American firm Silver Lake, and 12% by Chinese firms China Media Capital and CITIC Capital. All right. So the group derives its name from Manchester City FC, its flagship football club, and acts as the club's parent company. All right. So CFG also owns stakes in clubs in the United States, Australia, India, Japan, Spain, Uruguay, China, Belgium, and France. So this settles the doubt that City Football Club is a scam. First of all, it is not a scam. So we have been able to establish this fact. Now let's go on to the next thing I would like you guys to see. Now let's go on to 86 FB. Now, how is 86 FB and City Football Group connected? So 86 FB was established in May 2015. It is one of the companies under the City Football Group. Do you see that? So 86 FB is one of the companies under City Football Groups. Okay, it has football related businesses in major cities around the world, including football clubs, academies, technical support, and marketing companies. Okay, 86 FB Football aims to increase the participation of on and off field football, seek and cultivate the best football match results, analyze talents, and provide a wonderful and avant garde match results quiz project hedge fund. So you can see that 86 Football is very, very legit because it's owned by City Football Group. Now let's scroll on to the bottom of the site and see something very vital here. It says 86W and 86Z are the only official counter platforms in Nigeria. Did you see that? So 86Z is one of the platforms owned by 86FB, and 86FB, on the other hand, is owned by City Football Group. Do you see the connection? So 86Z is highly legit. So guys, what are you waiting for? Can you see this? This is all the legitimacy you need to get. There's nothing much more than this. All right. So that should settle all your doubts. All right. 86Z is highly legit. Right here, you can see that 86Z or 86 football is more than just a game or a betting game. It is programmed in such a way that it behaves in the same manner as funds and stocks. For those of you who are into investments in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and all of that. If the best funds and stocks are selected, you're sure that your investment in any of these investment platforms will give you the best yield and the best return. It is that path that 86FB has taken that matches are well selected in such a way that when you invest in them, your investments are treated like funds and stocks in such a way that they give you high yields in return. So guys, I think this is all the confirmation you need to get. All right. So no longer should you be afraid if 86Z is legit or not. So I do hope that your fears have been wiped off from that little presentation I just showed to you. So 86Z is highly legit, recognized in Nigeria, recognized by 86 Football, which is one of the companies of City Football, meaning City Football recognizes 86Z in Nigeria. You saw that for yourself. So guys, please go register using my link. My link is in the description page of this video, somewhere down here, that little triangle facing downwards. Click on it. You're going to find in there my referral link and then a WhatsApp number. Once you've registered with my link, chat me up and I'll give you the help that you need. Trust me, you're going to need help in using this site. All right. So my name is Ovi Mark. Please go subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button just below the video. Also click the bell notification icon so that anytime I drop new videos, you can be notified. I'll see you guys with another video about 86Z and how you can enjoy the platform. Okay guys, so take care, have fun. I want you to win in this year. All right, see you at the top. Have fun.